learning platform. Let's learn A for apple, B for ball. Let's learn colors names. Parrot green color, purple color, dark green color, red color, dark green color, brown color, orange color, sky blue color, pink color, yellow color, black color, sky blue color. A for apple. A for apple. Dark green color. B for ball. B for ball. Purple color. C for cat. Dark blue color. D for dog. D for dog. Purple color. E for elephant. E for elephant. Green color. F for fish. F for fish. Like, share and subscribe. Bye.